everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolute little baby doll right here. 1967 Ford Mustang convertible. Killer car, guys. I've actually known this car for quite some time. A buddy of mine actually owned this car for about 4 or 5 years. He sold it to a local guy who just traded it in. But I've probably known this car 7, 8 years. Great car, original California car. Everything on this car you see is correct except for the wheels and tires. The thing I can tell you about this car, turn the key, point the direction and go. I'd get in this car and drive it anywhere. Hits the road great. It's factory color combination. It's lime metallic is what they call it. And of course it's got the two-tone interior. Again, California car. I believe it's got all the original body panels. Previous owner just upgraded the wheels and tires. Those are 15-inch Magnum wheels with BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines, which I just love. I think that makes this car pop. He also added the fog lights, but it's an original 289 C code, C4 automatic with a 310 rear gear. And like I say, just an absolute little sweetheart, guys. I mean, this car is nice. Couple of little marks. But man, just nitpicking. I'll tell you right now, you will have a hard time finding a nicer car for the money. This is just a great car. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. It's got the driver's side remote mirror. It works. Stock two-tone interior. It's got a white convertible top. It's in great shape. It's power top. It works great. One little blemish right there. Nice car. Man, it hits the road just as sweet as can be. Nice and straight down the side, sits good. I love the wheels and tires on this car, man. They look great. You also put new dual exhaust on it. That's brand new. That stuff's all been done within the last couple of years. I'm assuming the restoration's about 10 years old, but there's no miles on it. Chuck, a buddy of mine, he likes to look at them. He doesn't drive them. I guarantee you this guy put most of the miles on the car. Chuck just does not drive them. He likes to look at them. That's a pretty car right there. Got a great look. These cars have great body lines. Again, original C code 289 two-barrel. Your original tag is still on the engine in there. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's power steering, manual brakes. Has the original California emissions still on there. Stock air cleaner and valve covers. C4 automatic transmission. I mean, turn the key, take it right to a car show. That kind of car, clean underneath. VIN number still on your inner apron. It's just a great car. Touch-up mark on your door. Slick paint. Bunch of new stuff coming. Should have about 4 in on the next couple of days, so make sure you're watching that. Look how nice that 8-pillar chrome is. Make sure you're keeping track of that website. It's just a great car. Door skins are nice and clean. There's your original door tag. I think this paint in here is original. Remote mirror, like I say, it works. Factory bucket seat, center console, stock dash. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Ooh, look how nice. I mean, it's just a killer car, man. 2587, we think that's what's on the resto. Gauges are nice and clean. Radio works, got an aftermarket am-fm cassette. Dash pad's nice. Blower motor all works. Again, power top works great. New dual exhaust, stock rear end. I think it's a 310 gear. It comes with both sets of floor mats. This is a Magnum spare with a Silvertown redline tire too. You can see it's got all your original seams and everything. It's just a sweetheart, man. Looks like the original paint in here. Everything opens and closes nice. Like I say, the car just hits the road great. Clean underneath. This is a nice car. Seats are nice. Steering wheel's in great shape. I dig this car, man. Like I say, just runs and drives. It's the sweetest to me. That's a little baby doll right there, man. Somebody's going to get a great car. Again, he added the fog lights, dual exhaust, and like I say, the wheels and tires are just a couple of years old. All that stuff he's just been added. Gauges all work. See, the car holds good oil pressure. All the little lights inside work. Backup lights work. That's a sweetheart right there, guys. That's just a great car. Blower motor works.
That's why Dad built this one.
Then guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.